At BestPack, we're committed to keeping your packaging operations running smoothly, from shrink film to flow wrapping and many more. But even the most reliable equipment faces the same challenges, such as wear and tear, maintenance, and the costs that come with keeping production moving. That's why we created the BPA program, giving you even more value just by purchasing the shrink film or tape you already use. Every machine experiences wear and tear, and when it happens, downtime and replacement costs can add up quickly, especially during peak production seasons. With the BPA program, you earn free $100 parts vouchers for every purchase of our shrink film, giving you access to thousands of spare parts at no extra cost. Your BPX equipment is already backed by a strong manufacturer's warranty, but unexpected breakdowns or repairs can still impact your production line. With the BPA program, that coverage goes even further, reducing financial risk, helping cover unexpected repairs, and protecting your operation when you need it most. Packaging costs add up, from consumables to accessories to new equipment investments. As a BPA member, you'll unlock exclusive pricing, clearance sales, flash promotions, and member-only discounts on machines and accessories, giving you savings no one else can access. Joining the BPA program is simple. Just purchase one roll of shrink film or one case of tape. Complete your registration online and you're in. With BPX Solutions and the BPA program, you'll always get the most out of your automation. Contact us today for more information.